What if I told you that history, science, and even everyday objects have secrets you have never been told? Imagine a world where we barely know the real story behind the things we see, use, or believe every day. Today, we are deep diving into the mind blowing facts that somehow never made it into our school textbooks. So get ready to uncover hidden truths about our world that are stranger and sometimes even funnier than fiction. Let's kick this off with a question. Have you ever wondered why we knock on wood for good luck? Well, it turns out that this ritual traces back to thousands of years ago to ancient tree worshippers. Yes, tree worshippers. They believed that the trees housed protective spirits, and knocking on them was a way to call these spirits for protection. And here we are, still knocking on tables and doors, hoping for some little magic. Just imagine what the spirit of that old coffee table must be thinking every time we knock on it for good luck. Probably like, again? Really? But speaking of spirits, did you know that some people in history actually believed that coffee was evil? In the 16th century, coffee was considered suspicious by some European leaders. In fact, one Ottoman leader, Sultan Murad IV, was so wary of coffee's powers that he declared it illegal, punishable by, well, let's just say you would not want to be caught drinking it back then. Why? Because he believed that coffee made people think too deeply, and apparently that was a threat. Imagine that something as simple as a cup of coffee was considered dangerous. But coffee is not the only surprising thing history tried to ban. What if I told you that wearing high heels once had serious consequences? Stick around, you'll want to hear this. So, high heels, they weren't always a fashion statement. In the 17th century Europe, heels were actually reserved for men. Yes, you heard that right. Men in high positions, like noblemen and royalty, wore heels to appear taller and more powerful. But eventually, heels became a symbol of social status and they caused quite a stir. In fact, at one point, high heels were restricted by law to only the upper class. And if you wore them and weren't wealthy, let's just say you would be in trouble. So, next time you're complaining about uncomfortable shoes, just remember high heels were once a crime of fashion. Fashion aside, let's switch our gears to something a little more mysterious. Did you know that there's a deadly plant that almost every single one of us has touched? Yes, I'm talking about the tomato plant. This innocent looking garden staple is a part of the nightshade family, a family of plants known for their deadly toxins. When tomatoes were first introduced in Europe, people thought that they were poisonous and just refused to eat them. Even today, the leaves and stems of the tomato plant can be toxic. Just imagine if the people had stuck with that idea. We'd never had pasta sauce. But tomatoes aren't the only misunderstood food. Have you wondered why bananas are shaped the way they are? And it's not by chance. There's science behind it. And it's mind blowing. Bananas grow upwards towards the light, which is why they have that unique curved shape. This process is called negative geotropism, where they naturally curve away from gravity. Crazy, right? Just imagine if bananas grew straight down. The banana split might look pretty different. Okay, quick question. Do you think bananas could be our next food superpower? Because this fact takes us beyond fruit bowls and into outer space. Ever wondered how astronauts satisfy their coffee cravings in zero gravity? It wasn't until 2015 that scientists developed a way to drink espresso in space. And yes, it took a specially designed cup to make that happen. From tree spirits to space coffee, each one of these facts reminds us how fascinating our world really is. The stories we don't hear about the tiny details hidden in everything, they all shape the world in ways we often overlook. It's amazing to think that even the simplest things, like a cup of coffee or a curved banana, have surprising stories behind them. If these mind blowing facts grew your mind, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone else who could use a dose of curiosity. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us at SmartSphere, where we are always uncovering the unexpected. Who knows what other surprises are hidden in plain sight? Join us next time and let's keep the wonder going.